Hi, I'm Rick, and I'll keep it simple. If you start selling inverter technology, you're going to win more jobs. Why? Because once you have inverter technology, you can offer what your competition can't: flexible climate-controlled zoning, a significantly more efficient system, and one that is smaller and quieter than anything your average homeowner has ever seen, that typically requires less electrical service. So, for example, when I walk into a two-story home as a residential contractor, rather than just yanking out the current system and installing a similar system, I can walk into that same house as an inverter contractor and say, "Mr. and Mrs. Smith, I'm going to take out your existing system and I'm going to put in an indoor unit to manage the upstairs and another indoor unit to manage downstairs, making only minor duct modifications, so you take advantage of what you already have. If you want, I can even make your master suite its own zone, so you can control the temperature there independently from all other areas in the house. This setup will give you complete independent control of the temperature upstairs, downstairs, and in the master. And this new system is so efficient, even your wallet will notice. The majority of LG inverter systems are ENERGY STAR certified, and if your central air conditioning unit is more than 12 years old, replacing it with an ENERGY STAR certified model could cut your cooling costs by 30%. It's that easy. You've made the pitch 85% of your competition can't. So I'll say it again. If you start selling inverter technology, you're gonna win more jobs. Now, let me address a few things I hear from contractors concerned about offering inverter technology. So you say to me, "Rick, sounds great, but I've seen inverters, and not all my customers are going to want mini split systems up on the wall." I hear that all the time, and that's where you can provide a ducted option inside, same dimensions, and it ties into the ducts just like you're used to. That alone will give the homeowner more efficiency and control. But now you're able to use a hybrid option where some areas are using ducted product and some areas are using ductless product. That's what the unitary guys can't do. Rooms that previously weren't climate controlled, like garages, sunrooms, or basements, or rooms that need individual control, like the nursery or master bedroom, can exist as independent zones on the same outdoor unit, ensuring comfort everywhere. So it doesn't matter what style or mix of indoor units get connected to that outdoor unit. You get complete design flexibility when working with a homeowner or builder or whoever. With inverter technology, you can also offer either a whole home replacement or supplemental spot cooling and heating, whatever your job needs. And let's just address one thing I hear a lot, that inverter technology can't handle the cold. Listen, I can confirm that the cold just isn't a concern. LG Red systems provide 100% of rated capacity down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit and continue to heat down to -13. Now, cost. I hear fear of cost. And times have changed. Simply in round numbers, when you add it up, LG inverter technology is approximately the same total system cost as other HVAC systems with comparable performance, but with much more advanced features. Tell your homeowners not to just look at the cost of the equipment, but also the installation. LG inverter technology has no inrush current, which means they won't need to pay an electrician for a larger electrical panel, additional electrical run to the outside of the house, or size up due to higher inrush current when considering solar or backup generator power. And even when a homeowner chooses to use ducted inverter indoor units, the material costs of required duct runs are smaller, as the units are usually placed closer to the space to be conditioned. Okay, so you say to me, "Rick, I'm sold on the idea, but I don't know the technology. I don't know how to service it, and I don't know how to install it." And I'll be honest, yes, there is a learning curve. But once you know proper installation methods and have your team trained up, you're gonna win more jobs. It is beyond worth investing time to make it happen. And while I may be biased, being this is an LG video, their training and support is why I think LG is the best option for inverter technology. They have training labs all around the country where distribution partners are holding events, working with and training contractors. This is great because you don't have to fly your team across the country to get some training. You can do it somewhere relatively nearby. They also have everything from online video training to in-class hands-on working equipment training and distributor in-field training too. The LG support team is also top-notch, based in Texas, New Jersey, Georgia, and California. So you can pick up the phone and speak to someone who knows what they're talking about if you're having some trouble. So to finish up, here's what I want you to take away. Sell what your competition can't. A quiet, climate-controlling, highly efficient system with unmatched flexibility. Sell inverter technology.